The last thing we're going to look at today is proving lines parallel with algebra. So in these problems, we want to find x so that line A is parallel to line B. And then we'll also state the converse that was used. So if we look at example number 1, we have this 10x minus 23, and then we have 137 degrees there. Those are alternate interior angles, and we know that if alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So we would set up an equation: 10x minus 23 is equal to 137. Add 23 to both sides, so 10x is equal to 160. So x is equal to 16. And the converse that we used, as I said, was our alternate interior angles. In our second example, we have this angle here that measures 74 degrees, and then this angle here that's 9x plus 11. Those angles are corresponding angles. So if corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So we would say 74 is equal to 9x plus 11. Subtract 11 from both sides. 63 is equal to 9x. Divide both sides by 9. 7 is equal to x. Using my symmetric property, I turn this into x is equal to 7. And again, the converse that we used here was corresponding angles. All right, looking at number 3, we have this 96-degree angle, and then we have this angle here that is 6x minus 30. Those angles are same side interior angles. So in order for lines A and B to be parallel, the same side or consecutive interior angles must be supplementary, must add up to 180. So 96 plus 6x minus 30 is equal to 180. So 96 minus 30, 66. So I have 6x plus 66 is equal to 180. Subtract 66 from both sides. 6x is equal to 114. Divide both sides by 6. So x is equal to 19. And again, the converse that we used to prove those lines parallel was our consecutive interior angles. Finally, we'll look at number 4. So we have this 33-degree angle here, this angle with a measure of 7x plus 5. This may be a little bit tricky to see, but those are actually alternate exterior angles. So if alternate exterior angles are congruent, then lines are parallel. So we want to set these expressions equal to one another. 33 is equal to 7x plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. 28 is equal to 7x. Divide both sides by 7. 4 is equal to x. Again, using the symmetric property, x is equal to 4. And again, we used our alternate exterior angles converse. Okay. The rest of the examples we're not going to work now, but they are worked, and you can see the completed notes on the Unit 3 Google Calendar.